all about Pakistan, the ultimate sacrifice, a memorial day. We set aside on this day each and every year to honor those who gave their lives for us, defending what hold dear. In the dark and deadly wars, in the dark and deadly wars, their graves prove and remind us. Our brave Pakistanis gave their all. Our brave Pakistanis gave their all to put danger far behind us. They made us ultimate. They made ultimate sacrifices, fighting for the people of Pakistan. Oh dear, we admire them and respect them on this very Pakistan Independence Day. This is all about your sacrifices. We owe you today and forever. Happy Independence Day.